Thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you so much. We can appreciate our chief guest together with our Vice Chancellor, Mr. In.
Once you are a fit, I know that you'll be giving the university a lot of time because you'll not be asking for permission to go out to be treated. You will relieve a lot of stress, and I want really you to do that. Use the gym for promoting teamwork and other things, because it is there and it is there for you. Form a club, you don't have to worry that Mutebeyi, I can be able to do, as big as I am, I can be able to do 100 skips without taking a break, and still I am okay. So don't worry if I can take 100. You join with a person who can take 2 or 3 like you. You start from there. If you join me, I will discourage you. I will discourage you, and I will discourage you. Get people that you can be able to work together. It is not very easy, and the gym, David, wende pole pole, si hiyo yako ya leo haraka haraka, wapeleke pole pole. Wengine sisi tunataka kupelekwa pole pole. If you take me with those many steps at a go, then I will disappear. I will disappear from you. So make use of it. We used university money to be able to do that. We are revisiting because we want to ensure that our staff are comfortable in whatever they are doing. Coming to this cafeteria, as I said, when I walked aloud here, let us also be proud. When I was in the university, Kenyatta University, sometimes back, many years ago, I used to see something called senior staff cafeteria. Let us make use of this. Let's not run away. When we established the other one, of course, it had students, it had not very well thought of, and the staff started running away. This is yours.